Be ready for dictation. 5 seconds to go. Start expressing the view that certain real estate companies, and banks which sanctioned loans to them for their projects in the national capital region, had taken poor home buyers to ransom, the Supreme Court yesterday hinted at directing a CBI probe into a builder bank's nexus. Stop. A bench of Justices Surya Kant and Koteswar Singh was considering grievances of home buyers in the national capital region, who claimed that they were being forced by banks to pay EMIs without having obtained possession of flats due to delay by the builders oblique developers. Stop. For context, the flats were invested in under a subvention scheme, in terms whereof, after the developers started defaulting on EMIs of sanctioned bank loan amounts, the banks initiated action against home buyers. Stop. As per the home buyers, the loan amounts were illegally disbursed directly into the accounts of the builders oblique developers in violation of RBI guidelines. Stop. It was alleged that the home buyers were used as a medium to get the loans sanctioned and the amounts transferred from the banks to the builders oblique developers. Stop. The home buyer herein is pushed into the litigation for the amount which he himself has never seen or actually received. Stop. The acts of both builder and banks are in violation of tripartite agreement and also in violation of RBI statutory guidelines. Stop. Home buyers are taken for a ride and there exists no legal framework to address the issues when the insolvency proceedings are initiated against the real estate developer, and banks still keep charging even when the liability of repayment is of the real estate builder, the home buyers claimed. Stop. In the backdrop of the builders and banks not giving details of delayed projects in NCR as well as the current status of their construction, the bench opined that an in-depth probe was needed to unearth the nexus between the builders and the banks. Stop. Dictation ends.